Hey, everyone, buckle up, because today we're diving headfirst into my hilarious adventure with this Yamaha YZF 1000 Thundercat. Now, you might be wondering, how on earth did I end up with this beauty, and why would anyone try to resurrect a bike that looks like it just had a dramatic encounter with a tornado? Well, grab your popcorn and maybe a drink. This is going to be a wild ride. So, let me take you back. I scored this legendary machine for my best mate for a jaw-dropping 200 pounds. Yes, you heard me right. A total bargain. I mean, I've spent more on a dodgy kebab that gave me nightmares. Picture this, me, crammed into a Volvo, the bike half spilling out the back like I was auditioning for a new version of Transporter. I drove in our home, and every time I hit a bump, I felt like I was in a live-action game of, will it stay, glancing in the rearview mirror every 5 seconds, praying I wouldn't see a trail of bolts and parts rolling down the highway like a scene from a slapstick comedy. Now, let's get to the juicy stuff. Why am I doing this? Because this Thundercat deserves to roar again. It's not just about fixing a bike, it's about reigniting the thrill of the ride, the wind in my hair, the bugs in my teeth, and maybe a dash of nostalgia for all of us who dream of open roads, freedom, and possibly scaring the neighbors with my questionable riding skills. So, today we're diving into the rebuild. We'll start with the forks. I mean, what could go wrong with a couple of metal sticks, right? And then there are the front brakes, which I'm pretty sure I'll install while channeling my inner mechanic. Spoiler alert, I have no idea what I'm doing. It's like a jigsaw puzzle. But if half the pieces were from a completely different set, you know that feeling when you open a box and think, this can't be that hard. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. So buckle up, folks. Get ready for the chaos, the laughs, and the occasional oops that comes with bringing this Thundercat back to life. And who knows, maybe by the end, I'll be doing wheelies like a pro, or at least trying not to fall off.